9 out of 10.
Hello guys, this is Rickroll and this is the day in my life. So basically I'll be uploading every snippets of what I do. Yeah, let's get started with the video. This is where I always work mostly. Yeah, right now I'm doing some scripts for my show. I don't want to show that. While I was working, I was thinking what content should I make to make my day in my life video a great one. Let's go around and figure out what we can do. To make this video interesting, I'm going to the town to try different types of momos. I'm sure who doesn't love momos, so yeah, let's go and see which one's the best. I won't be going alone. I'll be calling my friend. He's the one. Shoshi, hitchinga. The first location. रेड बेगो में तो एकदम So if this video reached 100,000 views, I'll drink this chili sauce.
Hi.
Okay. Hello. So we are done with the first location, and for me it's what to say now, 8 out of 10. It's good. Let's head up to another location. What do we do?
Not bad though. The rating the was in 7, 8 dichi, not bad.
8 out of 10. The next location is you.
Next location jo.
So we are here in next location, and with us we have
Zombala, I'm going to Zombala. I'm a Momo Mokchu.
we are heading to another place, that's Zongola. So yeah, let's go. So this is the location. Wait, how many meter?
Zombala.
Just
I like Nensa. What the plate some shingo.
Oh my god! Wow!
5 plate.
Chip to plate.
아, 지잠치.
Jamji. Kenji zone.
축구야, 스톨라.
몸 죽어야 수세. 저도 좀 먹나. 몸.
This is the second place where we are eating our momo.
Very tasty. Delicious.
Spicy meat.
This is soup.
In Begome to
Meat.
Rating का भी दो मोमो की हाँ 10 दे गमची
Zombala ki momo ni ay delicious zone. Magi ay zone the plate chike jam so much. Na zombala was ni plate nga this time mete. 10 del bio jinga 10 chike zombala.
We horgola god pasoda pili dabula.
Interesting to it. Interesting. There are tasty to demo testing for the zumba is tasty. There are meat so. Koi the gamdi momo di ra jab mete yani. Momo di
세감 siu
Maybe was in 9.5.
I get it.
5 there's soup.
Soup na soup na cham me. Ow. I understand.
So
Anime. Shin
for me 9 out of 10 누가
Ekdam perfect. Amma thang sa burger daw.
모모 사 젤리야 니가 슬로 에너지 딱 Next stop
Yes, I'm going to the
Butterfly
inside. I will go directly inside.
Yo kati? Ni
stabilizer
So
only.
this is the last and final location. We'll be doing the review for the momos, and that's it.
Judge means I'm the judge.
And this the judge.
And I was called by him for just the momo. Which momo is big, which momo is small, and which momo is tasty, and which momo is worse. So now I will give a rating, right? So that's the thing, I give rating G. So I gave the rating of other momo, but now I'm here to give a rating for the another momo. Another momo is same, but it's different owner. Now after some time the momo will be in my stomach. Just wait, you guys wait for our rating. I'm waiting for momo, but service is nice.
Tingkat with the rating.
Momo here is very quick. The taste, momo gire me, is momo. And rating we watch in 10.5 tune because 5 the extra because it's big but very hard.
So size matters.
Size matters.
10 अथवा last में 10 एकदम तो एकदम.
Wow, nice momo. Actually, movie a girl to go smile. Momo is nice.
Next.
Now next is just a break because Zaza move big race.
Break video.
Break. Wow, seni misia. Seni de Zaza mula pe gatte te chonga de glass momo chonga is lot. Mina.
Mother.
Koi da ko da.
तेरी मेरी कहानी
Damo chi momo chi ji ma momo chi ji. Tap घर की parking chi che.
Karki fiya.
Parking chi te ta.
And it finally started raining. My two friends had some work, so they went home and I had to call another friend to join me.
Let's go. I was supposed to end this video, but my friend told me to try another location.
This is the popular location just near to the Changgangkha monastery.
Hunger strike. Let's go and try that location. So this is the momo.
It's nice. I would rate this 9 out of 10.
Nine out of 10.
After trying momo, the weather didn't disappoint us. It was perfect for capturing some cinematic shot. Although I visited 4 different locations to taste the best momos, each place had its own unique flavor. For me, Burger Point was my favorite as I prefer less juicy and oily momos. As I say, taste is subjective, so let me know in the comment section below which momo location is your favorite in Thimphu. And I'll see you in the next one.